Engineer Adams Mochenwa, an aspiring senator in Nyamira County. First and foremost, I want to thank my fellow aspirants who have decided to come together and form a team. And this team is for one purpose, to push Fred Okengo Matiang'i's message in grassroots, more so in Gusii region. And as my colleague said and the other a few minutes ago, we want to paint Gusii region red. Red by the meaning that we want the only party that is in this region is Jubilee Party. Second, I want to seek our party leaders, our principals, the co-principals in the United Opposition, to sit down and have an agreement, because when you are going to fight an enemy, you must put all differences aside, you unite, you fight this enemy until you win. So kindly, our principals in the United Opposition, put aside all differences, come together, join, let's fight this one enemy called Kasongo. Mambinto bwate Mokomoni market inko bariga ni bonsi pibali banyamira bachororo egera tubwaterane gusugumu mwana ito Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i.